Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Nicole here from A Pretty Charmed Life. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my Star Wars design. So you'll get to see these beads up close as well as how I decided to design with this bracelet. So first of all, I was really excited when they came out with Star Wars. My boyfriend is a huge Star Wars nut. My family likes Star Wars. And so I was just really excited. And I wanted to not buy so much because my boyfriend struggles getting me Pandora all the time because he never knows what I have and what I don't. So I was like, well, I'll only get a few. That way he still has options around holidays if that's what he wants to give me. So I did use a gift card from him. One was a gift from the amazing Dora at the Art of Pandora, and then a couple I just chose. But let's start out with the bracelet. I really wanted this clasp bracelet because I love any bracelet that has a special clasp, and this one just has Star Wars. It's like the logo. It's nice and long. And interesting about this is that they didn't have a size 18, so I did size down to a 17. So I think I am gonna plan on wearing this more like a mini design, and anything else might go on a different design or an O pendant. I'm not sure, but anyway, that's like getting way too far into the future, assuming that I get more of their charms. But then let's get into the design. For the clips, I really wanted to use these ones, and I actually just freed up these star clips off another design. So I didn't have to borrow them. They were free and ready to be used. So these are the clips that I used. And then I ended up getting this button charm because, okay, I really wanted R2-D2 and C3PO, but I didn't want this to have too many dangles. When I saw that this button charm had those two together, I was like, okay, well, let's do this one since they're hanging out because they're like BFFs. And then the opposite side has the Star Wars logo. And I just love the inscription on the sides. It says, "In a galaxy far, far away." And then you have the Star Wars logo. If you saw my reel on Instagram, I really wanted to use that opening music where it's super silent and then it's like, bam, in your face Star Wars. So I did my best to replicate that, and it was a pretty fun reel to make. And then I really wanted the Princess Leia dangle. Now, the bail on their dangle charms are crazy amazing because they're stars. And then there's a blue CZ in there, and I just love these bails so much. So then here we have Princess Leia with her buns. I think they did so good on the detail. You have additional blue CZs on here, and even in the back you could see her other bun. It's so good. And then this right here is like gorgeous. So you see the Star Wars galaxy, you see the Death Star, you see stars, you see blue, you see sparkle. It is just everything in this charm. I love it. It's beautiful. And if that wasn't good enough, then you have the back that says, "Don't mess with this princess," which I love. So there you go. I had to get this dangle. And then this right here is the Star Wars logo in shine. From what I understand, this one might be limited edition. Some material says it is, some doesn't, so I don't know, but I'm going to go with the fact that it's limited edition. But more special is this was gifted to me from Dora from the Art of Pandora, and I just really appreciate that kind gesture. This is like, you guys, she's like, I love her blog. It's where we get our sneak peeks from everything that's releasing, and I just am so grateful and thankful that she would think of me to gift this to. So thank you again, Dora. I know I keep saying it, but I'm really thankful. And then I wanted a dangle to match Princess Leia, and this was the closest one to it because it's the same shape, and it is the lightsaber dangle. And you have the red and the blue for the light and the dark. And then the back of this is pretty nice too. It kind of reminds me of like going hyperspeed, but yeah, I don't know what it's supposed to be. I just like it. It's pretty. It looks like the galaxy. And then, of course, you cannot make a Star Wars line without something with the inscription that says, "May the Force be with you." And then, here's we're all in love with the child, or Baby Yoda, whatever you want to call him. He's so adorable. And I just love how they got his eyes. Like, I think they got his eyes so perfectly with that black enamel. Look at him reaching out with his little hand. He is just so cute. The little wrinkles in his head. I absolutely love him. I'm rewatching the Mandalorian series, ready for the next one that comes at the end of the month. And Presley's been really into Star Wars, so she's really excited about learning more about the child. She'll be wanting this charm in her future. She picked BB-8. Actually, I will show you guys BB-8 too. But I really wanted to just show you this design. I really like it. I'm going to keep it simple. I find that there's so many like dangle charms with this collection because a lot of the characters have the holes in the head and so they tend to dangle. So for me, I don't know that I would put them all on one bracelet, but never say never. We'll see what ends up happening once I start collecting more and more of this line. Oh shoot, let me show you Presley's, then we'll go to the end. Here's Presley's BB-8. It is so adorable. It does fall that way because of where the hole is, which is fine because once you wear them, it's like whatever. But his head moves. Watch, like it's so cute. It's so adorable. And Presley loves BB-8. For her second Halloween, she was BB-8. She didn't know what it was at the time, but I did. She was BB-8 for Halloween. I'll maybe insert that at the end of this. Yeah, this was her first pick. I'm interested to see what her next pick is. Baby, what's going to be your next pick when you get your next Star Wars charm?
Maybe Baby Yoda.
Yeah, I knew it. I knew she was going to want him. There you go. I can't wait to get this on a bracelet for her. So with Disney, these aren't marked Disney. They are marked LFL for Lucasfilms Ltd. I haven't found a Disney logo on here. I'm pretty sure it's just going to be Lucasfilms. So that's just something to note if you're like, hey, where's the Disney hallmark? Because it's Lucasfilm. So there you go. That is my design. That is Presley's BB-8. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think of the Star Wars collection and what did you get if you got anything. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you. Thank you all so much for watching. See you all next time.